Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spore Blossoms. These unique blocks are a fantastic way to add a touch of natural beauty to your Minecraft world. They don't provide light or have any special game functions, but their gentle, falling green particles create a wonderfully serene atmosphere. Think of them as a living, breathing decoration that brings a subtle, magical feel to any space you place them in. They are purely for aesthetic enhancement. For the best visual impact, you'll want to place your Spore Blossoms strategically. They can only be attached to the bottom of a block, so consider placing them on ceilings or high ledges. The beautiful green particles will then drift downwards for about 22 blocks, creating a stunning visual cascade. This wide range allows you to cover a significant area with their enchanting effect, making them perfect for large halls or outdoor canopies. One of Zoho Writer's strongest features is its collaboration capability. You can effortlessly share your documents with colleagues, setting precise permissions for viewing, commenting, or editing. Real-time collaboration means multiple people can work on the same document simultaneously, seeing updates instantly. Utilize the robust commenting and track changes features to streamline feedback and revisions, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. To get your hands on these lovely decorations, you'll need to venture into the lush caves biome. Spore blossoms generate naturally, hanging from the ceilings of these vibrant underground areas. They are quite easy to obtain. Simply break them with any tool, and they will drop instantly for you to collect. Once you have them, you can place them anywhere you desire to bring a touch of the lush caves magic into your own builds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.